Shenzhen FFI Fiber Communication Technology Company is a high-tech enterprise specialized in fiber optic cable assembly and optical fiber communication devices production. Development and sales, our company established a set of strict quality assurance systems and obtained ISO 9001 and RoHS certifications. TTI fiber main products are fiber optic cable, fiber optic patch cord, fiber optic splitter, fiber terminal box, fiber optic patch panel, and much more FTTH products. TTI Fiber has two factories. One is Shenzhen to design and produce fiber optic products. There are three standard fiber patch cord production lines, including one excellent MPO, MTP cable assembly lines, and one PLC splitter production lines. The other factory is located in Anhui. It includes 11 fiber optic cable production lines, 6 fiber optic patch cord production lines, with more than 12,000 square meters to produce indoor and outdoor fiber optic cables, ADSS fiber optic cables, and FTT job cables. With 10 years export and import experience, TTI Fiber enjoys a good reputation all over the world, especially American market, European market, and African market. We not only offer OEM service, but also help many partners from all over the world to win the market with professional technical support, excellent product solution, competitive price, fast delivery, and good service. Shenzhen TTI Fiber Communication Technology Company owns the professional customer service team, provide perfect pre-sale, mid-sale, and after-sale service, and we have a professional service, can provide efficient rectification solutions, 24-hour service, short lead time, free samples, good quality for all customers. Shenzhen TTI Fiber Communication Technology Company has 2 fully equipped factories and a professional fiber optic service team to provide customers with efficient fiber optic retrofit solutions, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, CE certifications, and CPR testing.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.